What's going on, guys? Kind of filming this intro as we just got off the water, but hope you guys are gonna enjoy this one. Filming the intro right now. We just got off the water, had a good day of fishing, my dad and I. Fishing some mangroves and some canals for some speckled trout. So I will see you guys in the outro, but enjoy the video. Alrighty, guys, we have made it finally onto the water after so many hours of fooling around and having to go to Walmart and all that other stuff. We are finally out in the mangroves. Let me see if this is recording. Oh yeah, what's up, guys? And this is what we're working with here. We're gonna go back. There's some houses a little bit farther back. We're gonna go back in there, fish some docks, some pilings. There are definitely fish running through this channel though, 100%. People were catching trout at the boat launch, so why not? But just glad to be back in the warm weather, being able to do some fishing. I'm quite interested to do some live bait fishing. Yeah, hoping to get some keepers. You guys stay tuned. Oh, my pops is hooked up, guys. My dad is hooked up as I'm trying to rig. Came off?
It's just, yeah. Maybe not. Might be off. Nope, I got it. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Little one. But it'll work. Jack. What is it? It's a trout. Yeah, it's not 15.
Big head shakes from this guy. Yeah. Getting hammered it. Another decent. But they're a little bit short. Like that's probably a 14.
Yeah.
But look at that fish, guys. Another beauty. About to get into these mangroves in here. Yeah, they're hammering them. Come on, buddy. Let go. There we go. See you, dude. Beautiful, guys.
I think that's one. That's a good one. Oh, maybe not. Yep, no, it's a good one. It's taking some drag. Let's see how big, if this is bigger. Hopefully it is. Let's see. Nope, there it is. Nice one. Better than the last couple, but still not big enough. Still not big enough. That thing's probably only 12, 13 inches. So, nice one. Beautiful fish. Put him back, go away. That one might be a keeper. Might be, oh. It's not fighting anymore. It's on the line still, but it's not fighting. I can feel it. I think it's because it's so cold. There it is. That's a big one. Yep. I don't know if it's 15 though. Yeah, this is probably bigger than 12. He pounded it. It's probably 13.
Yeah.
It's a nice one though. I like it. Go. You got one? I think they're coming up these small things. There's the bittern. He's looking for the fish. Look at that thing. You got one?
They're decent.
Yeah, they're decent. They're just not big enough to keep.
That's probably 4 days.
This will be a good one. It's a nice one. Oops, under the boat. This is a nice one, dude. Wait till you see this one. Get over the boat, brother.
That might eat.
That'll eat. That'll eat. Yeah, that's a keeper. You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put it? No, the stringer's on a shrimp. That's a keeper right there, though. That's a nice one.
Well, there it is, folks. That was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Caught a decent amount of fish, very close to that keeper range. 15 inches the minimum down here in Florida. But just another great day. Getting down back in the state of Florida, warm weather, 75 degrees, catching fish and whatnot. Stay tuned. Got a few more videos coming out and whatnot. Gonna put these kayaks away and then get back to the house. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, see what you guys want to see what we can work on with our saltwater fishing and whatnot. But you guys stay tuned for more Florida videos. We'll catch you guys on the next one.